Hello everyone, my name is John Paul, DayTradeToWin.com. Today is May 20th, 2020. I want to show you not just the Atlas line signals here, but I want to teach you something new. I want to show you what yo-yo bars and price action means to me when I look at the market and pick bottoms and tops, which we shouldn't do. But this could help you understand tops and bottoms a little better and make a better decision before placing a trade. So the Atlas line today started off here at 29.60 quarter and went straight up, and then it stopped here. The market stopped here and then continued higher. So what I want to show you is this idea of what a yo-yo bar is when a candle tries to go higher and fails to continue and comes back down as if it's hitting resistance. So you can see that this candle and this candle and this candle and this candle, all these candles with these wicks are trying to move higher and failing. So at the time, this is what you see as a trader, that the market is trying to move higher and it's encountering 29.72 resistance. If you're in a trade, if you're long, this may be an opportunity for you to say, it's not just one candle or one bar that's creating this same area of resistance, it's multiple candles. And as a matter of fact, I'm using a 5-minute chart. So on a 5-minute chart, we have here 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 minutes or more of the market unable and just trying and failing. Now, eventually it did go higher, and we have here a strength trade and a pullback trade. But then you see again the same type of activity where the market is trying to go higher, and you have these candles with these wicks here multiple times trying to go higher. So if you're long and the trade is going nowhere and you see the market and it almost looks like, I call it a yo-yo bar because it reminds me of a yo-yo where the market is trying to go higher and instead it comes right back down, and it yo-yos up and it comes right back down. So what you have is these candles with these wicks, and if you look on your chart, every time there's a major reversal in the market, it doesn't matter if it's a stock or a currency or an equity index, futures, it always has this same price action idea and activity of these yo-yo bars. And the same thing is true if you look here, there is a short signal to go short and you have strength trades here to go short. But look at the market comes to this support level here and stops, and then comes again with a wick and stops, and then stops again. And lo and behold, here, one candle by itself is irrelevant. We can't make heads or tails of just one large candle with a wick. So if I look here, let me just go back here in history. And if I look here at one candle with a wick, for example, this is yesterday on the Atlas line. So if I look at this candle here with a wick, this really doesn't help me. It doesn't tell me anything. It's irrelevant. One candle with a wick, it's meaningless. But then as we go forward here into the future, you can see that this candle, also with a wick, like this one here, is indicating that the market is getting stuck at this price. We're at about 29.55, and it's unable to continue higher multiple times, showing you this price action pattern. Therefore, think of this as a reversal potentially beginning, or at least a pause in the market. If you're long, don't go long until it surpasses this area and it goes higher. Okay? My name is John Paul. Remember, trading is risky. Don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Talk to your broker, and I will see everyone at the next live class. We have a new mentorship class June 2nd, 2020. Hopefully, those of you who are interested can attend. It includes all the courses and the software with lifetime membership. Take care, everyone. Be safe. Bye-bye now.